Welcome, welcome, guys. I am back here again with my good friend Koren, my Jamaican friend that we woke up in the supermarket and just friendship take off. And we've been doing a series of videos together and having a great time on and off camera.
Thank you for having me again,
Oh
Melanie.
my goodness, my pleasure, my pleasure. So let us deal with this right up front and center. Make sure you guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, Country White Jamaican, like and share with your friends and family, and head on over to Corin's channel.
Let's talk with Koren and let's sign it with Koren.
Right, 2 channels. So make sure you give her some love, right? Anyway, we have been talking today and having a good few laughs about things that only a Jamaican will either do or say, or their mannerisms. And you just know that they're Jamaican.
For sure,
right?
we wanted to share with you.
Exactly. So the first one that comes to my mind is when you're talking to a Jamaican and their friend come into the room, or somebody come into the room and
Somebody
maybe
they don't like.
them have on a dress that don't look so right or something, and you want to tell your friend, and you and them just talking away, you know, all of a sudden you just see when them give off, right? And you know that them just, wherever the mouth point, your eyes just go there same time, because you know exactly
The
what
only
I mean,
one,
right?
the
And
only
point to them
people,
mouth.
the
Point
only
to them
people
mouth.
that point with their mouth and make a whole statement with their mouth without saying a word. Jamaicans.
That is a fact. It says everything.
It
right?
says everything.
And then you were talking about the can.
Well, I feel like Jamaicans have everything that they need, right? But I feel like Jamaicans are the only people, even though we have a can opener, vegetable peeler, we have all those things. I feel Jamaicans are the only people who don't use the things for what they are there for, but use the wrong or use something else to do what they have something to do. For example, Jamaicans are the only people that I know of, I've never seen it in Canada and I haven't gone to any other place, that open cans with their knives.
Yeah.
Even though they have a can opener.
I know. It's an important skill. Like, it's all in the wrist.
Yeah,
right?
it's all in the wrist.
I
Can you
do
go
it.
around? Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah.
I
It's a
can do
skill.
it.
It's a skill, man.
And we use we hand knock the knife down in the pan,
Right.
and then we proceed to
Round.
go round, you
That's
know.
right.
Cause guess what? The knife never fail you. Can openers fail you?
Facts.
And vegetable peelers, I don't use vegetable peeler.
Yeah.
I use my knife to peel my potato. I use my knife to scrape my carrot. I use my knife to do everything. I don't use my vegetable peeler.
Yeah,
But what happened after them open the can of milk,
Well,
Melanie?
listen to me now. Because we used to milk cow early in the morning, and so I used to make tea and carry down for the dairymen. And I see this one man named Denton, right? And Denton ever have him condensed can, and that is his teacup in him. Rather than me bring him any teacup, him have him and him hold the handle, because he just leave on a little piece of the metal attached to the can, so that you can hold the handle like this, the raw condensed handle, you know, and drink like it's a cup, and then drink them tea out of the condensed can. And I am telling you something, from I see that, I'm like,
So after them
really?
done with the milk, they open it with the knife, and then them done with it, then fold up the handle and make it into then fold up the lid and make it into a handle, and then the condensed can become a cup. Only people to do that.
Yeah.
Are the Jamaican people that I don't
Yeah.
know anybody else. That.
Yeah, no kidding. And you know, Koren was telling me this, and I just had to think about it for a minute, because it's really true. In Canada here, it's only Jamaican parking in them garage.
Oh my
people don't
gosh.
really to park in the
No.
garage, you know, them have it as storage, and them have it as, some of them as man cave and all them something. Jamaican people park in the garage, so that them don't have to chip the ice and tear off the snow and deal with the cold car and walk in the snow, everything.
Yep, I have to park in my garage because I don't wanna wake up in the morning and spend time and dig off ice off a car, and I hate that. So that's why you have a garage. But not Canadians feel like the garage is another room. They use it to do everything else except park their cars.
It's crazy. I love a garage.
Jamaicans are the only ones in Canada.
What you were telling me about your granny and your the China thing.
Oh my gosh. Like, Jamaican people don't use their choice China ware, or they save it for, or crystal. They save it for, if they get a visitor, they'll use it, but you can use it. I grew up with my grandmother, and the same China ware that I know her to have in our cabinet, when I was a child, when she died last year, and I am now over 50. Let's just keep it at that. The same chinaware, they were all in her cabinet, and she would refuse to use it. And if you touch it, yeah, it's not gonna be pretty.
Lock up in the whatnot.
And if you ever broke one, oh my goodness. So Jamaicans are the only people, they store all their nice things and they never use. My mother, she have her 90 them in her drawer. She don't use them. She don't use them. They just fold up and nicely in the drawer, and you don't never dare touch it, right?
Oh man.
Jamaicans are all people have stuff that they never use.
Yeah, and I can't tell you if this happens on other Caribbean islands because I really have never seen it. But you ever see a Jamaican peel cane with them teeth and eat the cane and just pull the whole cane apart with them teeth? I don't know how they do it.
The bump of the cane, because you think, or you eat the cane and then you get to the bump, past the bump. No, you might eat down the bump first.
Jeez,
before they move on to the next section of the cake. Let me tell you something, my sons don't even bite mango. My parents said to them,
no, tell me that's not true.
No, them don't even know. Them come with the mango. Mom, can you peel the mango? I'm like, boy, bite the mango.
Of course.
No, they don't want to bite it. No, we are eat the mango. When we bite cane, we bite mango.
Oh my goodness. And Koren tell me, because I said to her that I know one of the things that I used to say that only Jamaican do is kiss and teeth.
I just did it.
I should just do it. But, and then the thing about it is here they don't call it, not in here, but let's say I hear that in Thailand or somewhere out there that side of the world, they do it, but they call it his teeth or suck teeth. They don't call it kiss teeth like we do.
No,
right?
we're the only ones that say that.
Here in Canada, like if you're in the subway or you're walking up and down like downtown Toronto and you hear somebody kissing teeth, trust me,
Just look
it's
around.
a Jamaican.
Just look around.
You know?
No matter how them look, them are Jamaican. Trust me.
But
Or they have some Jamaicans at home.
You know, you tell them the word that make a sentence. You have to tell them that.
I was talking to a Jamaican friend of mine, right?
Oh, it's
Jamaicans
good.
are the only people who have the capacity to use one word and make a whole question or sentence and use the same one word answer the question.
This
Here is
is
the word.
good.
And here's the sentence. The word is ready. Here is the question. Are ready? You ready? Are ready? I hear the answer.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah. Are ready? Me ready? Are ready?
I can't even.
One
Oh
word.
my God, it's good.
We
it's
skill
good.
like that. We
It's
skill
good.
like that.
It's good. And I've said this before, but this is so true to like every Jamaican have more than one name. Them have a AKA as this or alias as that.
Yeah.
Some of them have more than one.
Yeah.
And some of them go through life with people calling them by them alias. So
And
till
they
when
have
you
no
call
choice.
them by the right name,
Them
they
do
don't know who
everything.
you're talking about.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
And you were sharing some of your names. You want
Like,
to
let
share
me tell you, Jamaicans, people, them hardcore, them don't business. If you don't like the name, you still have to get it and you still have to answer to it. Right? So, them just look for you, find a feature that is on you, and that becomes your name. Right? For me, I grew up in high school. I was whingy my entire life at high school. My teachers didn't even know my name. And now that we are out of high school, so many years now, people are asking, so who is Koren? We don't know this person on the chat. This is Koren. Whingy. Oh, then that you must say Whingy. It's Whingy. Whingy, how I go on? That's it.
Oh,
I'm
my
Whingy.
goodness.
Them call me all kind of derogatory names. But at the time, I never think of it as no
Yeah.
derogatory because it was what it is. But,
And it's all
for it-
done in love, right?
it's
It's
a-
done in a sense of humor.
But and what we know is is who we are. But for it, yeah, maga foot, because I have really skinny feet. Maga foot, kukum drop, all kind of names they call me. Picky head, oh goodness.
Oh my goodness.
They call me picky head.
But you have
That
to
one,
love.
I mean, I know if that part was out of love, but I had to just suck it up.
Oh, and yes, as you were saying, if you cry or you go on like it, you
It
hurt.
don't make no sense.
At that time, them give you a name.
Yeah.
So
It's only now everybody talking about bully, but
yeah,
I mean, maybe I'll say it's a bully, but no.
Yeah.
Back then, no.
yeah. So I want you guys to please share some of the things that we have missed, because you know you never get everything, and some that you remember that only Jamaicans do, or that really make
Melanie,
Jamaicans stand out.
I don't know if you did this, but I have to say this.
Yeah.
When you were a kid in elementary school, primary school, me never have no money. We never have money. I never have no pens, no rubber on my pencil most time. You write in your book. After you write in your book, you make a mistake. Oh, you rub out that?
Tell me what to do. You rub it in your hand?
No.
What you do? Ah! Whatever works, man.
You touch it on your tongue. You rub
it.
And most time it tear out the page.
Yes. Oh, I've seen.
I don't know. Did you do that? Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Did you do that?
You did. Exactly. So leave some comments, guys. 'Cause we really want to hear more of these fun things. I've had a great time again with Koren, and we've just been chatting our heads off. Like,
I know.
we really have chatted a lot today, and we've had some good laughs.
Yes.
So thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please share. Please like. Please
let
give
us
Koren's
hear
channel some
your
love.
things that you think that only Jamaican people do.
Yeah. And I will link to all the stuff we've been doing up at the end of this video so that you can check it out. Okay?
I know.
And thanks again for watching.
Thanks
for your
for
support.
having me. Love you guys.
One love.
Bye.